Hi friends, this is Sarvajan here. Welcome to my networking channel. Hope all are doing good. And today the topic I'm going to discuss about Junos commit operation. So whenever you are making any configuration changes, you will use commit operation to apply the configuration changes. So otherwise the changes will not be effective. So that is the purpose of Junos commit. So these are the basic commands you always keep it in mind whenever you're doing any configuration changes. That will be really very useful. And these commands are very flexible, right? In case of Juniper. So let us do one by one. So now let us go to the configuration. So this is the basic configuration I have done. Run show configuration display set. So now I'm going to delete this interface and I want to reconfigure this. Let us do delete interfaces em0 and set interfaces em0 unit 0 family inet address 192.168.2.2/24. Okay, so now let us do a show compare. So this will compare with the previous configuration. So you can see, right, the what is plus and minus means this is the interface I'm going to delete and this is the configuration change I'm going to make. So it will compare with the previous configuration and it will retrieve the output. So this is a change I'm going to make. So before applying it, we can do commit check. So the commit check is mainly for checking the configuration syntax. If there is any error, it will throw the error. Otherwise, it will apply the changes. Let us do commit check. Okay, so it will check for the syntax, and if there is no syntax error, it will show configuration check succeeds. That means still it has not applied the changes, so it is yet to apply the changes, right? So that is the purpose of commit check. And another command is commit confirmed. So the commit confirm, what it does, let us do. So commit confirm, let us make default is 10 minutes. So within that 10 minutes you have to apply this commit command. Otherwise it will automatically roll back to the previous configuration, right? So that means it will not apply the changes. So that is the main purpose of commit confirm. So let us make it as commit confirm 5. So within this commit confirm 5, so assume you are working on some production change and you want to set the time period to 5 minutes. So within that time period, if you want to check for any changes like you want to check for any routing parameters, or if you want to check any interface status, or if you want to see the configuration, so you can do, if you want to do in a debug, all those things you can do within this time period. So the default is 10 minutes. So you can, based on your usage, you can make it to 5 minutes also, right? So within that time period you have to apply it, otherwise it will roll back. Or in some scenario, if you don't want to apply the changes, you want to do some debugging, so in that case what you can do, you can leave like that. So within that 5 minutes it will automatically roll back to the previous changes. So that is the purpose of commit confirm. So but now I want to apply the changes, so you can apply the commit command. So that will apply the changes. Now let us see, run show configuration display set. So this is changes I have done. Okay, so now what is this last command is comment. Assume you are working on a configuration change and you want to use this change number in this configuration, you can use commit command. So this will be easy to track it. Commit command. Okay, let us make it as change 123. This is the number you want to do. Just enter it. So automatically this number will be tracked. So it will be easy to track all the changes. So that is the purpose of commit command. And the last one is committed. So the committed, what you do, if you assume you don't want to apply the changes immediately and you want to apply at a later time period, or you want to apply this corresponding change in a non-production hours, you can use committed operation, right? So this is nothing but commit at and the specific time period. You can use a specific time at which you would want to activate these changes, you can use it. And if you want, you can exit also. That means automatically at the time period it will automatically go ahead and apply the configuration changes. So these are the commands. So these Junos commands are very flexible and you can use based on your requirement, right? So it is doesn't necessary that you have to use all these commands. If you are confident enough, you can directly go and you can perform this commit operation. But on a safer perspective, always you have to check for the syntax issue, right? Commit check syntax and commit confirm. So because in some scenario what will happen, you are making any changes, sometimes that will block the SSH access, or it will come out of the SSH access, you can't in a position to SSH to the device. So in that scenario, always safer side, you have to perform the commit check for checking the syntax, and commit confirm you can set to the time period 5 or 10 minutes based on your requirement, and then apply the commit operation. So these are always basic things you have to always perform the check while doing the commit operation, mainly or if you're working on any production changes, right? So and also another command you can do like run show system commit. So this will always show that what are the commit operation you have performed, right? All the things it will show here. So that's the purpose of run show system commit. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Thanks and have a good day. Thank you.